Enfield Golf Club, Sunday the 3rd of March 2024. Members, family and friends were gathered to welcome Graeme David Mosely as captain of Enfield Golf Club. Aussie Ahmed gave an entertaining bio of Graeme before the ceremonial drive-in. A gathering of past captains were assembled on the first tee to honour Graeme. Graeme's drive was 209 yards, straight down the middle of the fairway. Luckily enough, Graeme's grandson, Joshua, was on hand to show the assembled crowd just what a good golf swing looks like. Kaboom baby! Graeme has a short backswing but still generates tremendous club head speed. His swing is efficient and effective. Graeme has a low handicap index and regularly plays off single figures, making him one of the 1% of golfers who achieve this impressive feat. Graeme is one of the most welcoming and friendly members at the club. All of the members wish Graeme a happy and successful year as club captain. Good luck and best wishes for your captain's year.